We have some kits. We have some match balls. I saw you guys were playing in Umbro. A couple of Umbro balls. We can't have that, so we got some Nike balls for you guys. You guys deserve it. You guys deserve this. You guys deserve more than that. I run an NGO back in the States. I run a charity where, just like with Johan says, football's taking him all over the world. Football's taking me all over the world too. And I teach football to kids. I teach it to kids at orphanages, schools, and in 25 countries now. So we go all over the place. We work with kids just like you. We try to give them opportunities with the game of football. You know, we try to put them on the right path and just try to let them be the best version of themselves that they can be.
1, 2, 3. What's the 3 Ds?
Dedication, determination, and discipline.
I'd like to thank you for what you have done today, for your time and effort, and we hope that we can live up to your expectations and exceed great things in life.
Yeah.